Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book, and today we're doing puzzle number 28. If we start with this box, we're just missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so this is our 3. 5 here, so 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 5, 4 and 5 here, so this is our 1. And no help here, so 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 9. 9 covering both of these boxes and a 2 there. So this is a 1, 2, 9. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 7. No help here, 4, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes and a 9 here. So this is our 1, 9, 6. If I can write, that should be a 6. This 1 makes this our 4, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this column, we're missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. I don't see any help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got the 4 here, so 2, 6, 4, and 6 here. Makes this our 2, 6, 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got the 6 here, so 2, 7. 2 and 6 here makes this our 7, 2, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing a 7. We can get rid of this 7. Which then means the only place our 7 can be for this box is here. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 8. Don't see any other help. So 4, 6. But that 8 makes this our 4, 6. That 4 makes this our 8. So for this box, we're missing 4 and 5. And I don't see any help. All right, so now we need to just start plugging numbers in since we've only got 4s and 5s left. So if we say 5, 4, that 5 would make this our 4, 5, and 4, 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.